Okay, this is a video for question 2 of homework 4 of ECE 6303, summer 2019, and question 2 is the random variable x is uniform in the interval -1 to 1. We should find gx such that if y equals to gx and then the density function y fy equals to e to minus y uy. Okay. Well, since x is uniform in the interval -1 to 1, we should write the density function fx first. That's fx density function fxx equals to 1/2 when x is larger than -1 and smaller than 1, and fx equals to 0 otherwise. Okay, we write capital Fx down yet, and that's 1 plus x/2 when x is larger than -1 and smaller than 1. And when x is smaller than -1, that's 0. When x is larger than 1, that's 1. Okay? We should write down that fyy, that is equals to, since the density function fy equals to e to minus y uy, we can write down that the capital Fy equals to 1 minus e to minus y. Okay, and this should equal, that's 1 minus e minus y equals to 1 plus x/2. Okay, write it down that y equals to minus ln 1 minus x/2. Okay, that's the function of gx. Okay, let's come to this x is uniform in the interval -1 to 1, so this x should be larger than -1 and smaller than 1. So we should think about what happens when x is smaller than -1 or x is larger than 1. Okay, we can find that after x is smaller than -1, that's 0, which means that capital Fx equals to 0. So the gx should be equals to 0 when x is smaller than -1. Okay, for x is larger than 1, we should look at this function. We should know that when x is larger than 1, gx comes to infinity. Okay, why should it be like that? We should draw the graphs of gx. Okay, that's next. That's gx. Okay, x is equals to 0. So should be like this. Like this. When x is equal to 1, let's come to 1, it's infinity. It should be like this. Okay. That's -1. When x is -1, gx equals to 0. Okay. And it should always be 0. And when x is larger than 1, the gx should be infinity. Okay. that's the solution to this question.